Tesla's officially produced their 10 millionth vehicle.
That's so many cars.
There's a lot of cars. That's across their entire global supply chain. So they have production facilities in California, Texas, Shanghai, and Berlin to produce these vehicles. The 10 millionth car was a black Tesla Model Y.
Okay. I wonder if that one got like a plaque or something special.
I'm sure they did something to celebrate it.
10 million cars for a company that people said wouldn't last.
Yeah, they're the first automaker to make 10 million cars, 10 million EVs.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, who else has made even a million? Maybe BYD.
Yeah, I was going to say some Chinese companies probably. So I imagine they'll get surpassed at some point. But for now, 10 million EVs. Pretty wild. The Model Y L has finally reached our shores. Mm-hmm. They plan to introduce the Model Y L in the U.S. in 2027, so next year this will come. It's 7 inches longer, with 6 of those inches being between the wheel wells.
You know what they're sneakily doing here, right? It has the ground clearance of an EV, which is to say the same as like a sedan.
Mm-hmm.
It's sort of shaped like an SUV. Now it's getting even longer. They're just making a station wagon. They're like, one step at a time, you will return to station wagons. When I registered that Sequoia, it registered as a station wagon.
I don't think of that as a station wagon.
Neither do I. I think of it as...
You don't think of it as a station wagon? Okay.
No, I don't think...
You think of this as a station wagon?
That's awfully close.
Really?
That's awfully close.
You know that meme of that guy with a butterfly coming out of the book, and he's like,
is this
it's too tall.
Go look at a Buick Roadmaster.
It's too tall.
It's not actually. It's, yeah, sure, it's a few inches taller than a Buick Roadmaster, but...
It's meant to replace the Model X, because they don't have anything now that seats more than 5 people. Mm-hmm. The Model Y has 2 optional seats, depending on the year. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. The Model S had...
In the third row.
The Model S had rear-facing seats for a while, which is pretty baller.
But the Model X only ever came with 6 seats maximum, right?
I think you can get it with 5 or 6. You can do 2 and 3, and then a longer space behind the rear seats. Or you could, I think at one point you could do a 2x2x2. Yeah. That's what this is a 2x2x2. And that's the only configuration it comes in.
So rather than having folding seats, you walk through.
The captain's chairs, yeah.
Yeah.
So a 6-seater. This is the only thing my family could fit in.
That they sell. Again, the Model Y standard has the rear seats, and my kids are young enough they could probably squeeze in there, but realistically, yeah,
this is the only thing from Tesla that could even fit my family. Yeah, it's surprisingly kind of expensive, but it could just be it's the launch edition, and they'll come out with the cheaper version later. It starts at $61,900, so $62,000. It's a little steep for just a longer Model Y. Yeah, so 325-mile range, dual motor, all-wheel drive, 83 kilowatt-hour battery, and 83 cubic feet of storage space. It is impressive they can get that far on 83 or 89 kilowatt hours.
How many miles, you said?
325?
Yeah.
83 kilowatt hours.
That's more than 3 miles per kilowatt hour. And keeping in mind that at the top and bottom of charge, it's less efficient.
Yeah.
So, yeah. The only people beating them in the efficiency game is Lucid.
Yeah.
And the only people beating them in the poor quality game is Lucid.
Lucid, yeah.
Actually, Tesla's gotten a lot better.
They have gotten better. It was a steep learning curve. But, I mean, cars are complicated. Mm-hmm. They're very complicated. Like you said, I don't think anyone expected them to last more than a couple of years.
Yeah.
So, for a CEO who advocates for repopulating the Earth, he doesn't sell a whole lot of cars that would saturate a big family.
Oh, I thought you were saying that have sex appeal.
Oh, yeah, that too.
He doesn't really sell cars with sex appeal either.
Like, he promotes big families, but this is like the first realistic 6-seater car we've gotten.
Well, Model X. Model X.
But the Model X is like $100,000.
That's true.
Out of people's budget, most people.
This is out of my budget by $60,000.
That's not true. You spent half that on your car.
Yeah, but if I were to offer you the best car ever, $30,000 would seem like...
That's what I spent on the best car ever.
Yeah. For you.
Yeah.